Back with the market right here on ET now, and it's a comfortable start. 10,300 here. That's how we're kickstarting the July series. You've got a good breath as well. A good 109 stocks standing to the advances. NIT Technologies has propped up 7%. Just Style looking good. Tata Power is holding up roughly about 6.5% or so. There's a Mindtree as well as Shriram Transport too, which is looking very good. From within the Nifty, it continues to be ITC. It's going strong ahead of its numbers. Infosys sees a big move, 5% higher there. You've got IndusInd Bank as well, which is cushioning the Nifty, holding up 4% as we speak. And TCS and Wipro as well as TechM are the other ones. So clearly leadership within the IT today when it comes to the benchmarks. But credit card spends, they've now bounced back near pre-COVID levels. Varun joins in with some data points that he's observed.
It appears that credit card spends have reached 80% of pre-COVID levels. RBL Bank has come forward and said that 73 to 75% of pre-COVID levels in terms of transaction and value have now been achieved. Whether it be groceries delivered to your home, e-commerce, e-wallets, essential supplies or medical supplies that you're ordering online, it's highly likely that you're using your credit card for the same, and that's starting to reflect in the performance and data being collected by these companies. As much as a month ago, we heard from SBI Card in May that green shoots were appearing. When we spoke to them in the early week of June, they said that pre-COVID levels of around 60% had been achieved already. So now when you're getting commentary from HDFC that they've reached 80% and 15,000 to 20,000 crore of transactions monthly, and you're getting some good commentary from Axis as well, even from a smaller lender like RBL, it really shows that across the board your spends have picked up. Now, one interesting development is just yesterday, Google announced that Google Pay will now be offering credit directly on its platform via partnership with banks. Now, if other platforms like Paytm also start going for this, it could be a huge threat to credit cards, because right now people are using credit cards to load up their e-wallets. If my e-wallet is able to offer me credit without the credit card, essentially bypassing them as long as the bank guarantees it, then one vertical of the current credit card industry might essentially be wiped out or face some serious headwind, as it just won't be required. But with that being said, then overall applications of credit cards are only increasing and contactless payments are only increasing. So it doesn't matter in which industry you go to, anywhere and everywhere people are adopting card payments, and in that sense in India it's severely underpenetrated compared to anywhere else in the world. So it should have a fairly long traction.